All right, today we're going to bring a cage fan. Now this one has a couple light bulbs you can set up. It took us a couple minutes to put it together, and yes, you have to actually set up the center of the actual fan. You have to actually set up the fan wings, which is the propellers, and you have to screw them in there too. So once we have this set up, it was very simple from there. I mean, this is the hardest part, just putting the whole thing together, and it's very light. So when you're gonna put it up on your ceiling, it's gonna help you that you make sure you have a nice backing. All right. So once we set it up, we just hang it in there and actually do the wiring. Of course, you get three wires on it. You got the hot, neutral, and ground. The controller is very simple. Now, to set up the controller, there's 1 through 6 level speeds. You could go reverse, you could go forward, you could turn off just the fan, or you could turn off just the actual lights. It's optional. So that's one of the things I actually like about this control, that you can control, you can manually set it up. And if you can see, you don't have to set up all the light bulbs. We only set up 2 because it was bright as it is. And very simple to set up. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.